Hey everybody, this is Joel, your photo troll, and I'm up the river here, and I'm using my old 70-300 AFS VR lens, and I've stopped using my 70-300 AFP lens here. And this thing still feels new, it still feels pretty good, but it's just missing focus more and more as every trip we take it on, it just starts having more and more pictures be out of focus, and I just can't hang with it. While this old AFS, it just never misses focus. It's always right on the money. See, none of them are out of focus. Not one out of hundreds that I'm going to take, you know. So I kind of like that AFP. It's a good lens. It's got good color and good sharpness, but it just every now and then, about every 10th picture or so, it starts missing focus, and now it's starting to act up to where like 2 out of 10 are out of focus. And as you can tell with this AFS, not one of them, none of them are out of focus. So the AFP is getting the boot, and we're replacing it with an AFS. This is my personal lens. This is one I brought from home just because I wanted to use something that didn't have that focusing problem. And then the company decided to go ahead and get one just like it when they saw the pictures. You know. Anyway, so I guess that's the moral of the story, is the old AFS is just a little bit more solidly reliable than the new AFP. Of course, it costs about twice as much, so there you go, you know, that's something. But I usually have been kind of trying to shy away from gear reviews, but this piece of gear kind of let me down. But you have to realize that we're taking about 1,000 pictures a day all summer long, so it gets 90,000 pictures in just one summer. So it's already got about 180,000 pictures on it, and now it's just starting to act up. So it's like, you know, that's pretty good considering it's been rained on and in the van and bumped around and not exactly treated kindly and everything. It's like, you know, for the $300 or whatever it cost, I think it gave back a pretty good return. But this is my old $600 or $700. I bought a brand new AFS zoom, and it just still works like a dream, you know. Anyway, this is Joel, your photo troll. I'll see you down the river.